If incoming calls are not showing on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do in order to solve this issue. The first thing that we can do is check if we have Do Not Disturb mode activated. Sometimes it can be enabled even by accident, and it can be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls on your screen. So we're gonna go to the control center, for example, and if you have the DND button added in here, then of course you can check if the DND is off or on. Or you can press either volume button in order to open the video volume panel, and here we can find the DND button as well, so you want to make sure that it is off. You can also find the DND in settings, more precisely in sound and vibration in here, so you can check that out as well. Of course, if you have a schedule, then this can be a recurring issue, so just make sure that, for example, it doesn't interrupt you later, of course. Alright, so if DND is not the reason why you do not see incoming calls, then let me show you what to do next. So we're gonna go back to the main page of settings, and this time we want to open apps. Once we open apps, we want to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose to show all apps. This allows us to see system apps as well. We can use the search field at the top, and first we're gonna type phone. There we go. And now we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to find these apps in here. So we're gonna go through all of them one by one. First, let's start with the phone app itself. In this case, you want to force stop it if possible. If not, then of course we can move on. But what you want to do is you can go to notifications, of course, and you want to make sure that all of these options are enabled. Here we have notification categories where we can find, for example, incoming calls, and you just want to make sure that everything is set up properly. For example, on the lock screen, it should be visible completely as well, and so on and so forth. So just make sure that these settings are set up properly and everything is enabled. You can also go to app permissions in order to make sure that these permissions that you can see over here are allowed for this app. If something is not allowed, then of course we can tap over here and just grant the permission. Location and nearby devices do not really have to be enabled. These permissions do not have to be granted, but the rest of them over here, as you can see on this list, it's better to have them on. Now, if permissions are set up, the next thing that we can do is tap on clear data in the bottom right corner, and we want to clear all data over here and confirm your choice. After that, we're gonna go back and we can start from the hyperphone over here. In this case, you just want to clear data and clear all data of this app. Next, we have phone and messaging storage, and from now on you want to do the same thing, so clear cache or clear all data if possible. There we go. We have phone services and just clear all data. There we go. And there is also Xiaomi phone, which if possible, tap on clear data as well. Next, I'm gonna also type call just to make sure that there are other apps. There we go. We have manage calls, so we're gonna select it as well. Clear data and clear everything. All right. And I think that should be all. So once we are done with these apps, if you actually force stopped the app, or even if you didn't, it is better to just simply open the app. And you will notice that after doing all of this, the style or the design of the app is slightly different. This is the older design of the app, which was updated some time ago. But you don't have to worry about it, because it will be updated after after some time. It should be a short period of time. And after that, you will go back to the previous style of the app. Nevertheless, the app should work just fine as it is even right now. So once you open it, you can give it a try and you can see if you can actually have incoming calls being displayed on your phone. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That's all we can do. Of course, remember to also make a restart or reboot of your phone, because sometimes this simple step also can be quite helpful, so just give it a try. But yeah, that should be pretty much it. Hopefully, after doing all of this, you can actually see incoming calls again on your phone. Subscribe to my channel.